This video will guide you through the basics of creating literature review. A literature review is a critical evaluation of published material on an issue, area of research, or theory. Each source in your literature review is summarized, synthesized, and evaluated. However, a literature review is more than a summary of sources. It highlights what is and is not known about your topic, identifies any controversy surrounding your topic, and formulates questions that need further research. Your literature review should link these sources to how your research adds to the larger field of study. Starting a literature review is the same as starting any research project. First, you need to choose a topic. Once you have decided on your topic, you should then search for background information. You must know the basics of your topic before you can construct a thesis statement or research question. At the MCNY Library website, you can find reference materials under the header Research Guides and Purpose Handbooks. Scroll down and click on Reference Sources to find suggested starting points for research. Once you have your background information, you next want to search for more specific information. You can find books, ebooks, and articles by searching the MCNY Library website. Type in author, title, subject heading, or keyword into the search box to generate a list of search results. This search acts like Google, but because access to these items costs money, you will not be able to find them on Google. Another way to search for articles is to click on Databases by Subject under the header Databases. This will take you to a list of databases broken up by subject area. If you want more help on how to do this, we have tutorials and videos available to show you more. To find this, click on the Library Tutorials link on the main library website. The MCNY Research Guide on Literature Reviews is also a good source to use. You can find it by clicking on Research Guides, and then scrolling until you find Literature Review. After you have found your sources, read them, taking care to write down any patterns you see in each source. This will help you organize your literature review when you start to write it. Take notes so that you know what each source says about your topic so that you don't have to reread the article when you want to start writing your literature review. Some questions you can ask yourself when you are reading include: is the article related to my topic? Is the article written by an expert in that field? Does the author provide a balanced picture of the question? Does the author consider both supporting and contrary data? You want to choose articles that discuss your topic, not just articles that support your idea. Academic honesty requires that we engage with all sides of a topic. If you find holes in your research, research again to see if you have missed a source or if this is a gap in the literature. If this gap in the literature affects your thesis or research question, you will want to address it in your paper. Once you have gathered and read your research, it's now time to organize and write the literature review. The MCNY Literature Review Research Guide lists several common ways to organize your research. This organization depends on what trends you discovered when you were reading your resources. For example, if your sources are concerned with 3 separate theories, then you will want to group your sources into these 3 theories. However, if your sources track a change over time, you might want to organize your sources historically, by year or decade, for example. That is why you need to keep track with notes while you are reading through your sources. Finally, like any essay or research paper, the literature review should have an introduction, body, and conclusion. Again, the research guide breaks down what each part should look like. If you need help doing research for your literature review, you can ask one of the librarians. If you need help with writing your research review, you can ask one of the writing tutors in the Learning Enhancement Center. We are always here to help you. Need more help? You can reach out to us anytime using the following methods. Thank you for watching.